Canva with RFM. Welcome back to another video. This is Canva with RFM, and in this video we will learn how to use graphs. So we will be making a newsletter, as newsletters often use graphs. So type in newsletter and then press blank and then choose a template. We're just gonna use something like a real estate newsletter, something about business, normally has graphs in it. So just press on one, just add the second page. We don't want the first page. Now this doesn't exactly look like it would have actually a graph in it, but we will just add that graph. So we're just going to take away the images because we want to have a graph there. Now, where do you even find graphs in Canva? It's extremely easy. Go to More and just press Graphs. Now, Canva has so many graphs, even though it doesn't look like it. But if you want a bar chart and then you change your mind and you actually want a line graph or a pie chart, everything is fine. And I'll show you why. So we'll just choose one of these. We're just going to choose this one. You can change the colors if you want, and you can always change where it is. So now we don't want an item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. So just change it. Call this Jan, then Feb, March, April. Now we don't want May because let's say we shut down the business in May. So all you do is just delete it. Press on the number, delete the number, delete the number. You can see that the whole line is actually going down. But when we delete the last number, it fixes it up and it makes the graph without the last item. Now, if you were making the information on a spreadsheet and you need to put it into Canva and you really don't want to spend the time, don't worry, just come here and paste it in. I'll show you that in a second. So now we want to change the numbers as well. So January, let's say someone made £5. Then they made, after that, £8. And then they dropped and they went to 3. Now we can keep doing this. 8, and then 9, and then 2, and so on and so forth. So you get it. It's really easy. Now, what's if you actually change your mind and you don't want a line graph? All you do is press at the top, line graph, and change it to a donut chart, a pie chart, area chart, whatever you want, a row chart even. So they will automatically take your information and just put it into there. So we can change it again to area chart. I want to see how this looks like. That's quite cool, I think. So something like this would look extremely cool for our design. So all you do like this and make it bigger. We can also stretch it, which is extremely helpful if you have like a whole year or something. Okay, even this, it fits good, but we want to obviously change the colors. So simply choose the colors that are probably in your design. So I'm going to choose the same colors because Canva is going to change it for me, the transparency. Now, if you don't think this is good enough, you can also just change it by pressing on the color and then simply just adjusting it, the color a little bit. So something like this would even just change it. We can press on this one, keep that one the same, and press on this one and make it lighter. So something like this you would see very often. Now, how do you exactly copy things from Spreadsheet? So we're simply gonna open a spreadsheet. I'm gonna go to Word, I'm going to go to one of my Word documents, and then we're going to change it, go to Edit Cell, add. So this is so useful, I think, especially if you have a company or something. So we can have the first item again, Jan, and then we can change the next one to Feb, and March, April. Now we're just gonna have 30, 5, 7, 2, 6, 8, 11, and 13 or 14. Okay, then all you do is go across like this, press Ctrl+C or side click, and then press copy, whichever one you prefer. Then go here and press one of the charts. Then go down here, just press Ctrl+V, and automatically you're gonna have your results. This is so useful if you like to use your Edit Cell or your spreadsheet, and then you just really need to get it onto a design on Canva. It's so easy. I love also how they make your charts, and they look quite cool. And just delete that, and I think something like this you would definitely find in a report. So I really hoped you enjoyed this, and I really hope that now you know how to use charts if you ever need to use them. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this course by pushing on the playlist on the top left, and see you next time. Bye! Make sure you head over to my website and sign up to receive a newsletter, and I'll see you in the next video.